The following question is taken from Element 4, Work Equipment Hazards and Risk Control, and is covered in 4.4. Outline ways to reduce the risks of contact with moving parts of machinery. You have 8 minutes to answer this question, and your time starts now. This question asked you to outline ways of preventing access to dangerous parts of machinery and ways to stop dangerous parts of machinery if a danger zone is entered. Answers should have been structured around the principles of machinery guarding and ways to prevent access to moving parts and to stop dangerous parts of machinery before people come into contact with them. Let's look at ways to reduce the risks of contact with moving parts of machinery. To answer this question, you would need to know about the hierarchy of guarding and the benefits and limitations of the different types of guards. At the top of the hierarchy we have fixed guards, which should be installed wherever possible. They need to be robustly constructed and you should only be able to remove them with a tool. However, if the fixed guards are removed, then dangerous parts such as pulley belts do continue to move. Fixed distance guards are another type of fixed guard which prevents access to danger zones by either distance or height, but again they only protect the worker while they remain securely in place. Adjustable guards are often used on cutting tools where the tool or workpiece size varies, but the disadvantage is that they do need frequent adjustment and they still leave some access to dangerous parts of machinery, so they should only be used by trained operators. Self-adjusting guards on circular saws are an improvement on the adjustable guards because they automatically cover wood that's being cut, but they do leave some access to dangerous parts, so again should only be used by trained operators. Interlocking guards are connected to the machine controls, so the machine stops if the guard opens and won't work unless the guard is closed. They should not be easy to defeat and will need strict inspection and maintenance needed to make sure that the interlock guards do work as intended. Trip devices trip out when a person approaches a danger point but don't actually protect the dangerous working zone itself. Two-handed controls require two hands to be used at the same time and should be sufficiently distant from each other so that they can't be operated with the fingers of one hand. The disadvantage with two-handed controls is that they do only protect the operator, as other people may be moving around the machinery. Further down the hierarchy of control, we have hold-to-run systems. This allows a machine to run at slow speed, and again it only protects the operator. And then lastly, in the hierarchy of control, we'll be looking at push sticks and jigs, where other guards are impracticable. They rely on operator skill to ensure that they don't get too close to the dangerous parts while they're pushing a component into the machinery.